This all started probably more than a year ago when there was a strategic decision made by the management that we needed to find a more robust practice management system for our clinics, and we had to consider a lot of things. We wanted to make sure that the system itself actually supports our vision and our goal. The other thing we wanted to make sure is that the people who are behind the product and the ongoing support and maintenance is there as well. We wanted to make sure that whatever solution, it actually helped every aspect of the business, from clinics to the headquarters. The vision is to enrich the life of people who are associated with us. We want to maintain a high standard of care for our patients and have those touch points with clients. It doesn't really matter which clinic they go to within Apiam, we want to make the experience the same. And having one system like ezyVet, I think it actually helps us achieve that.
I think because Apiam's such a large company now that a lot of effort has gone into the training and to the preparation to make it as seamless as possible. ezyVet, it's really intuitive and you've got everything there in front of you. Also just the day-to-day workflows I find quite easy to read. There's a lot of information just at your fingertips. The other real positive as well is just how well it links with VetConnect Plus, with our X-ray systems. It's already saving time, so much more so with ezyVet than other computer systems. But yeah, really easy to work with. You've got your results then and there. You can also track where your bloods are or if they've hit the lab yet. You can sort of see where they are so you can give your clients an update as well.
I think the support that we got from the account management team was fantastic. It just made our life so easier. It actually gave us that sense of assurance that we will get that support during implementation and post-implementation when clinics basically are flying solo. Without their help, this would have not been possible.
It's going really well. The transition's been really quite smooth. It's been a very considered approach, and I think we'll take obviously some learnings from what's gone on here and what's gone on at previous clinics and help implement those with others.
At the end of the day, what we want is a system that makes life easier for our staff.
It's giving us more time within the clinic, and that's a big win for us because it then frees up vets. It means we can see more animals, we can do a better job at it, which essentially creates better outcomes for our patients as well. So all in all, it's a win for everyone.